Hello, mayam ngasisu anoba topic ama khangminarsi union budget. Isam samna budget haragasu adum khangnai. Masisu economics ki topic amani. Sina aigi brief biodata ni. Mayamna channel asibu nungsibiduna share, subscribe amadi bell button nambiyo. Okay, haurasi. Budget habasi Indian Constitution dadi annual financial statement haina palami. Masi article 112 ki matung ina finance minister na parliament da anowo financial year hodringai da puthokwa port amani. Masi hanadi February gi last week ta puthomi adubo hojikti February gi ahoba numit haragadi February 1st ta puthoi. Budget habasi receipt amadi expenditure gi estimate ni. Receipt haragadi income ni. Samna habada income kayam lakani, expenditure na kayam tawkani haina hotpa potuni. Adi deficit haba term sim khangminasi. Deficit haragadi expenditure ni henba. Samna habada lakadaba potu dagi hena spending tawthokiba. Budget asi khangna honabada term ani yamaru oi kari no habukanda revenue habama capital habama. Revenue account dana kari yawe habukanda akhoi government gi asset amadi liability da hongba leitaba. Samna harabada government ama run tawnabu honabada day to day da changibe expenditure functioning dabu aro maintenance dabor masi revenue account changi doni. Adai capital account haragana government amagi asset amadi liability da hongba leiba. Samna haraba thong bu sare khalon thong si asset ni. Adai loan bu lore khalo loan bu pire khalo masina liability jingi doni. Budget asi henda understand tawnabu ina table lama semjabani. Masi aina hajakre budget habasi receipt amadi expenditure gi estimate ni aduna receipt ke tangana expenditure gi tungana aina amukasu hajaki revenue amadi capital haba tamani si yamaru ena aduna receipt tasu revenue yawgani capital yawgani amadi expenditure tasu revenue yawgani capital yawgani harusi receipt habadi income habani revenue receipt ki makhada tax revenue habam laigani non tax revenue hagan laigani ani thongna khaidokani tax revenue da kari change habakanda direct tax amadi indirect tax chali direct tax haragadi income tax kumba indirect tax haragana koi GST gumba adu mana brake question ga net to center hena mahairami se kari gino habakanda GST habasi ani thongna khaidoi CGST center GST habama adi SGST state GST habama akoina padoi sidi center gi du khatani adugini net to center haise adagi non tax revenue da kari chanbage habkan fees adagi fines akoini helme uptogi fine ga thiri do adagi interest karamba makal gi interest state government na central government da dagi loan lauraga di moida interest pibam thoi madugi interest ni the grants haragana kari no hakanda akoina example world bank na central government da pirakpa grants example oina covid-19 gi world bank na central government da mating pangboine grant in aid khra pire khala madu non tax revenue da changki doni makha da muk leire capital receipt si home thokna khaidoi recoveries of loan habama other receipt habama borrowing and other liabilities habama ahambada recoveries of loan karamba makhan gi loan asagi state government na central government dagi lowki puto adu mana singakpada singkiba interest na asagi non tax revenue da changrena aduga principal amount singakado principal amount aduna sida recoveries of loan da changtoba adagi other receipt na kari change ha kan akoi disinvestment of PSU sai public sector undertaking gi share khra private yon thokpa adagi lakpa income dubu si other receipt chalangi adem number 7 the borrowings and other liabilities hai borrowings and other liabilities te kari change ha kan akoi central government na world bank dagi gumba natrag any foreign financial institute dagi loan lawrubodo asi borrowings and other liabilities te changi doni ado sida yemina si number 1 haraga revenue receipt haraga 2 plus 3 hai kari gino habakanda revenue receipt asi number 2 tax revenue amadi non tax revenue ani si punchalaga semi hai number 4 dasu capital receipt haraga 5 plus 6 plus 7 hai masi kai gino habakanda recoveries of loan other receipt adagi borrowings and other liabilities si home je punchalaga capital receipt semi hai number 8 ta mugeng si total receipt haraga 1 plus 4 hame 1 jina kaino revenue receipt number 4 jina capital receipt haibadi revenue receipt ka capital receipt ka ani se punchalaga total receipt semi haini okay lore expenditure da mula asi number 9 da total expenditure hain lerame masida 10 plus 3 13 irame ade 10 sina kaino on revenue account 13 sina kaino on capital account sina habadi revenue expenditure amadi capital expenditure ani se punchalaga total expenditure semi haini adubu number 11 yauraba interest payments amadi number 12 yauraba grant in aid city plus to yaurmde adu pandi palami kaidobaino haikanda masi revenue expenditure gi manung chanbanga part nga tani adubu revenue expenditure da mayam di yaroga mobani khatang palami karigino hapkanda makha da leiba deficit mayam se masi do khotpada mukoi ani se changi adugi particularly mukoi ani palami bani haurasi revenue expenditure da kari kari yawi sigi 11 12 ani si so dum yawduni hawrakim wani digi interest payment hagana karamba interest no hakanda akogi central government na world bank gumbadagi loan lawrubagi moi de piba interest bu sigi revenue expenditure chalhali amadi mathang grant in aid si karamba makhal grant hagana saigi world bank na central government da covid 19 gi mateng pangkhiba adumaina central government nasu state government da grant pi madugi potubu sigi revenue expenditure da chalhali sida sunatana akhoigi employees ingi salary pi riba adagi public da subsidies pi riba adagi education sector da health sector da thadari pot singa se masi revenue expenditure ngatani mathang dala asi capital expenditure da kari ke yawga hagta loans karamba makhalgi loan asi center na state ta pidhariba principal amount adu capital expenditure oidoni adagi atopa makhalgi loan amana amu center na world bank dagi puruba magi principal amount do singbam thoi madugi singiba potubuna sigi capital expenditure da changhan gi doini de sida sunatna akhogi infrastructure hagana lambi thong sabda changiba mayam madusu sigi capital expenditure da changhan gi doini adai la asin number 14 revenue deficit 10 minus 1 hami 10 sina kaino revenue expenditure ni adagi 1 sina revenue receipt ni revenue deficit haba si samna habada revenue expenditure dagi revenue receipt khaidokpa dubani adagi number 15 the effective revenue deficit hai masina 14 minus 12 hai 14 sina kaina hojikta phanghiba revenue deficit 12 sina kaina grants in aid effective revenue deficit putopada revenue deficit tagi grants in aid kadobai khaido ino haibu kanda grants in aid habasdi akhoigi center na state ta pithokraba poni state center na season po nati aduna deficit hotpada masi khaido ibini mathangda fiscal deficit hala fiscal deficit lai ke dawi 9 dagi 1 ga 5 ga 6 ga home je tin sen po 9 dagi khaidoi na 1 sina kai no yengasi 1 ji revenue receipt ni 5 sina recoveries of loans ni 6 sina other receipt ni adagi 9 sina kai no total expenditure oima total expenditure jidagi receipt mayam khaidokpada borrowings and liabilities kaidawagi yawdrino haibu kanda sidi fiscal deficit ai deficit kyam chatlagi puthok paneba ada deficit chapa sida akhoigi borrowings and liabilities mingondagi pusaluraga men khatpo potsa si lawthokpa haidi ai tasengna deficit kyam chatlagi yengba mingondai pusalugo potto yawdabida adugini borrowings and liabilities yahondrise mathangda number 17 primary deficit hana malame sina karino 16 minus 11 hai 16 jina karino fiscal deficit hujikta phangibto 11 jina karino interest payment primary deficit photo with the fiscal deficit tagi interest payment kaido web khaido ino hab kanta interest payment is the koi central government world bank dagi puruba in gi loan purubagi paisa purubagi pikiba interest ni kaido bagi khaido ino hab kanta akhoi primary deficit asa si wangaga di economy si phai haidoni primary deficit wangba haidi interest payment adu neme haidoni interest payment wangaga di akhogi paisa du interest bi loine chatkhra haidoni maduna economy si yam phane lei habidi yadi mathangda sijina budget at a glance hare masi hantaki 2020-21 gi budget tu ni sona kan the left side to ucharisina adu aina sina ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯆꯨꯑꯦꯜꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ, ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ, ꯔꯤꯚꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ, ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯁ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ, ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯐꯦꯕꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯥꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ. ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯒ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯒ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ. ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ 2020ꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯕꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ 2020ꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯗꯗꯤ 2019-20ꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯅꯤ, ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯅꯤ. ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯊꯥꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ. ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯜꯗꯒꯤ 2020-21ꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ. ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯆꯨꯑꯦꯜꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ 2019-20 ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯅꯤ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯪꯅꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ 2018-19ꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯐꯤꯒꯔꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯆꯨꯑꯦꯜꯁ ꯀꯧꯏ. ꯑꯗꯒꯤ 2018-19 ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ 2019-20 ꯍꯧꯔꯦ. 19-20 ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯣꯠꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯁ ꯀꯧꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 2019-20 ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ, ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯤ, ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯤ, ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅ ꯔꯤꯚꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠ ꯀꯧꯏ. ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯟꯗꯤꯆꯔꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯟꯗꯤꯆꯔ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯤ, ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅ ꯔꯤꯚꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠ ꯀꯧꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 2019-20ꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ 2020-21ꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ 2020-21 ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯌꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯣꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ. ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ. 2020-21ꯒꯤ ꯕꯖꯦꯠꯄꯨꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ. ꯑꯣꯀꯦ, ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ. ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ. ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ.